Hi guys! I've got something special for you guys this week, an unboxing. A few months ago I made a doll for a swap with one of my friends from Discord, MamaMarrow. We exchanged color palettes that we liked and based each other's dolls off of that. And guess who just arrived in the mail today? Okay, so it's been a few days, but hey, editing takes time. Anyway, I'm super excited, so let's go open her up. The box is open, but I haven't unwrapped anything yet. Let's take a look at what's inside. Oh, a letter and something attached with the world's strongest tape. There. I read the letter off camera, but MamaMarrow said she included something that would help me with future projects. She included a threader, since she saw me struggling with threading my needle back in my 15-minute challenge video. This'll come super in handy. She also included this Laguna hand for a project I have coming up soon, but shh, that's a secret. Thanks for this, MamaMarrow. Finally, onto the doll herself. She's generously wrapped in bubble wrap, so she's not going to get banged around during transport. Just unfurl her here. Aw, she's so cute! I love Claudine's face mold, which I must have said about 100 times in my other videos, so I know MamaMarrow watches them. That's so sweet. I love pastels and flowers, and I know when we were discussing themes for the swap I mentioned both of those things a few times, so this design makes a lot of sense for me. She has blonde yarn hair that has been rooted into the head and then brushed out, and this little braid is so cute. For shoes, MamaMarrow has painted these shoes to match the dress. It's a really pretty shade on Claudine, and I love her pretty blue eyes. She came out super cute. I really love the dress, which I believe is one of Delightful's patterns. And she's got other details too, like this little bottle of glitter, and the rhinestones in her ears, the flowers in her hair and on her dress. I think the rhinestones in her ears are my favorite. She's so soft and pretty looking. MamaMarrow mentioned her name is Serenity, and I think that's really fitting. She's so adorable. Thank you so much for making her for me. MamaMarrow doesn't have a YouTube, but you should check out her Instagram for more of her dolls. She makes really sweet looking characters. Give this video a thumbs up for swaps, and don't forget to subscribe for more doll stuff. I put out a new video every other Thursday. You can follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes stuff and sneak peeks. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now!